Hey guys, so welcome back to Vlogmas Day 12. Today we're gonna go into TjMaxx and check out what kind of cute holiday stuff they got as far as like plus size clothing. The last time I came here they had really cute sweaters and like pants. I didn't really see dresses, so let's just see what I can find. I don't know if they brought new stuff, it's been a while. I know that they have a lot of like little Christmas gifts and stuff, so I want to check some stuff out. And yeah, I went to Dunkin' and got this little iced caramel latte. So if you go to Dunkin' Donuts after 2, I think it's like from 2 to 6, they have like a happy hour, and so the iced lattes, the medium iced lattes, are $2. So yeah, just having my little coffee and getting ready to go into this TjMaxx and see what I can find. I just want to see what kind of clothes they got and if I can find any extra gifts, last minute gifts. So I'll see you guys in there. Guys, so Christmas exploded at TjMaxx. This is amazing. I've never seen so many deals. As far as the plus size clothes, there's no try on. There was like 5 shirts and 2 of them I had already tried on and they were just ugly. It sucks. I haven't lucked out with clothes at all, but oh my god, they have everything you could freaking think of for Christmas. Wait till you see these gift sets. Like literally everything. Ugh. Like all the little gift sets. Oh my god, they have like all these gift sets and they're all like under $10, you guys. Like a ton of them. Like the whole store is like covered in gift sets. It's so cool. Oh my god, like literally look at all the little gift sets here. There's so many of them. Beautiful, beautiful gift sets for like under like $15. It's a lot better deals than Walmart, and these are like really good makeup kits. They have everything. I'm just like in love with the store for Christmas. Everything except plus size clothes, so we'll just make it a little shop with me today. Okay guys, so I just left TjMaxx and I actually I couldn't find any plus size clothing. They just had the same tops I had tried on. They had nothing else, which they also need to do better, but they had everything for Christmas, so I'm not complaining. I'm actually really happy because I was able to find a couple gifts last minute. So I'm not showing you guys the gifts that I bought, but that's because I don't know which one of my kids watches this. I don't know who watches it, so I don't want to ruin their surprises, but I did find something for myself. I got them each their last gift, but I also found something for myself. So this is the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 color palette. Dude, I got this for $5.99. I kid you not. Let me I don't know if you guys can see the autofocus, but let me open this here so you guys can see. I can't wait to try this. Oh my god, so this is so nice. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay. For $5.99, that's absolutely beautiful, and these are neutral colors, so I'm actually loving it. It's hard to see because I don't know the brightness on my phone. There we go. Oh, look at those browns. I love browns, so this is like the perfect palette for me. I am absolutely in love with this palette for $5.99, you guys. You need to get to your nearest TjMaxx. I'll see if I could link it. I don't know if it's on their website, but oh my god, $5.99, and they had tons of these, like a bunch of these palettes and all kinds of makeup and body and skincare stuff. TjMaxx is the place to go. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little Vlogmas. I might vlog a little bit more when I get home, so I will see you guys then. Alright you guys, so I'm back home and my face looks crazy, but it's actually a face mask. This is like a peel-off face mask that I borrowed from my daughter-in-law. It's Freeman's Renewing Cucumber Peel Off Gel Mask. She had told me I could use her mask, so thank you. But yeah, I need this because hold on a minute. Let's get out of the bathroom because it's too loud and the vent is really loud. I've been using a lot of makeup lately, so I think I need to give my skin a break from all the crazy makeup that I've been using and just let it breathe and deep clean it. So I'm just gonna do like a little self-care night, probably watch like a Christmas movie and find a good candle. I probably burned this one today, which is the frosted cinnamon candle that my son got me. He got me this at Dollar General, and it actually smells better than all of the Bath and Body Works ones I bought. The problem with the Bath and Body Works ones, I'll show you what it is. Not this one in particular. Well, this one's finished, but the wicks on a lot of the Bath and Body Works candles, they go bad really quick, so you don't get to finish the whole candle. At least for my experience with like the cinnamon one, that's what's happened. So I really like that Dollar General one though, because it smells my whole room up like cinnamon. So yep, I'm just gonna relax and watch a movie and let this skin recover. And I know it was kind of uneventful, but that's all I did today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.